Hi everyone, so I wanted to do a really quick video because this came in the post. I've been really excited to open it. So this is the Doll Beauty £20 Lucky Dip box, and I've never had one before, but they do them every so often and they sell out straight away. So I was really lucky I actually got one this time. Also, I'm going to try and make this really quick because I learned my lesson. My last video, I was waffling for an hour and 10 minutes. I managed to get the video down to 42 minutes. And it was such a nightmare with the files and editing and uploading. And so I'm going to be quick. So, this is what the box looks like, which is cute. So it says, doll mail. Hey gorgeous, I believe this belongs to you, doll. And so it opens up like this and says, make them stare. Ooh. So if you are looking to get one of these, I will link the website down below. As I said, it is limited edition. They don't have them all the time, but it's definitely worth keeping an eye on them to check if they do. So I think I can see something which is what I really wanted to get, but I might be wrong, but we'll see. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. They're all full size. Bearing in mind some of the items are like £10, £15 on their own. The box for £20 is such a good deal. Right, so the first thing I've got is the Doll Beauty She-Fine Liner. I'm not sure if that's a shade. Spice Up Your Life. That may be the shade. Let's open it. I love the Doll Beauty packaging. It's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Okay, cute. Yeah, Spice Up Your Life is, oh, this is such my colour. By the way, I'm wearing the Huda Beauty from my last video. I'm wearing the contour, lip contour. I've got a little bit of a lighter nude in the middle, but it's quite a nice thing. But this is very similar. Where are you? There. It's such a me colour. It's like a dark purpley brown. It's quite similar to what I've got on at the moment. I'm just going to quickly show you everything as I go through rather than just unbox it. I'm so excited for this. Like I said, they sell out really, really quick. So I ordered it last Monday. Yeah. Monday the 23rd, and it said unfulfilled as the status all week, and I was so gutted. I thought they definitely sold out. I'm not getting it. But I got an email on Friday to say it's been shipped. So obviously it was bank holiday, and then it came yesterday. I was so happy. Okay, pretty. Okay. So yeah, it's just a pencil liner. Hopefully you can see that okay. It's just a, like, yeah, swatch it. Oh, it's very chocolate. Very chocolate. That would be so nice with a nude. Okay, next thing. Oh, I got some lashes. So I got the Doll Lash Alexandra. I won't take these out, but I'll just show you. I've never tried Doll Beauty lashes, but I have heard really good things about them. So that's very exciting. Okay, next thing. Oh, limited edition doll gloss. Sheet glasses like it's hot, sparkle and shine. Is that a shade? So I think that says glitterily smitten. Yeah, literally smitten. That's so hard to say. Okay. Again, cute packaging. Ooh. Doll gloss. Yeah, it's just a lip gloss. Hopefully you can see that okay. It's very shimmery and sparkly. Fabulous. I'm just gonna weirdly give that a quick sniff. Yeah, it doesn't smell of anything. It's literally like silver. Like, that's so sparkly. It's like white. Interesting to try that. Okay, and then next thing, which is very exciting, is a DB2. I'm gonna say this is like a blush brush. It's like an angled. It's very soft. Again, the packaging is really, really cute. Yeah, it says DB2. I'm excited to try that. Very excited. Okay. Next thing I've got, I think, is a highlighter. So yeah, Doll Light, Like a Diamond. I think Like a Diamond is the shade. Just guessing here, guys. Oh, this is cute. Pink. So that's packaging. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. It's a champagne-y colour highlighter. I'm gonna. Hopefully you can see that okay. That's stunning. Stunning. And last but not least, which I thought I could see, which I really wanted. Yeah. I got a bottle of the Doll Tan, the Ultimate Tan in Deep Dark. I'm very excited to try this. I'm glad they've sent Deep Dark as well. I know I'm very pale, but I am one for dark fake tans, so that you can tell I've put it on. Does that actually say pumped with caviar and rose extract? Smells like heaven with notes of rose and marshmallows. Interesting. And it is a mousse, which I do actually prefer as well. I usually use the rose and caramel, I want to say, at the moment, as I use the velvet version of that. So yeah, I'm so excited to try that. If you want me to do a review on anything, let me know. But I just wanted to share what you can get in your Lucky Dip box. Of course, they are different, but I would say in terms of value and stuff like that, it's really, really good if you are interested in getting one. So yeah, I'm really excited to try all of it, and I'll report back. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully this one is not 70 minutes long, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.